Part of the Bicycle Quicks collection are these. These are authentic and official Bicycle Playing Cards Quicks uncut sheets, no? So kung first time mo itong makita, these are authentic sheets of playing cards bago siya putulin at ilagay sa box na tulad nito. And as mentioned, since these are authentic sheets of playing cards, meron siyang texture na air cushion finish, na parang dimple-like texture siya. Same as the playing card, no? And since this is an authentic sheet of playing cards, yung front niya will feature the faces of the cards, and then yung sa likod naman niya will feature the back design of the deck, no? And there are two versions. First is the OG black, having the white face in OG colorway rather, and sa likod niya makikita nyo yung design, yung back design ng OG black, no? And the next one is we have the Ghost White edition, which has the black face and inverse colorway nung Bullet Punk universe, no? And featuring a different back design for the Ghost White, no? These are limited, and we will be only releasing 125 sheets per design, no? Per version, no? And if you want, you can have it framed similar to this one, glass to glass preferred, para mapakita mo yung front. And at the same time, pwede mo rin i-display yung back design ng deck. Yun lang.